Access to the internet is essential for education, healthcare, economic growth, and global communication. Many underserved regions face barriers to this access. Underserved regions face challenges like infrastructure limitations and economic barriers that prevent reliable and affordable internet access. Remote areas often lack infrastructure for internet connectivity, such as fiber optic cables and cell towers. Mountains and deserts pose significant obstacles. Sparse populations make it hard to justify the cost of infrastructure, limiting access to education and healthcare, thus widening the digital divide. Building internet infrastructure is costly. Many underserved communities lack the resources to afford services, devices, and maintenance. High setup costs make deploying internet services prohibitive in low-income areas. Device affordability also remains a significant issue. In underserved areas, lack of digital literacy reduces effective use of the internet, leading to underutilization of resources. Many individuals have limited exposure to technology, which leads to low adoption rates of internet services. Regulatory challenges like bureaucratic delays and telecommunication monopolies limit affordable and reliable internet access. Innovative technologies like satellite internet and mesh networks offer cost-effective solutions for remote areas lacking infrastructure. Low Earth orbit satellites and community mesh networks provide alternative connectivity for underserved regions. Public-private partnerships can accelerate infrastructure expansion, collaborating to subsidize costs and enhance internet access.